Hello guys, this is just a quick update on the Udemy course. I've got two new parts for the sci-fi soldier guy. So essentially, I've got 5 videos where I just explore the design. Finally, on the 6th video, guys, is where I finally hit the design zone, where I finally start modeling and I think, full efficiency, and the design starts going in a good direction. So this is a very good educational series, guys, because you really learn that it's not just a perfect process of A to Z. Sometimes there are a lot of bumps along the road, and so sometimes you have to actually throw away your old work, and when a new idea hits you, you just have to go in a new direction. So this, I think, is a very good educational video, not just in terms of modeling, but in terms of the design philosophy of an artist and how you have to be willing to change and sometimes throw away your old work as you perhaps get new inspiration, or you don't quite like what you had previously, you pick up some new skills and programs and you go in a new direction. We've got the 8 videos of the big boy, the large chunky mech that I've got here, and then a new section, one video new section of next-gen workflows. We're going to get crazy going from CAD to ZBrush, ZBrush to CAD, CAD to polygons, polygon to ZBrush. So all sorts of fun workflows will be coming there, so stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching and take care.